In the last walkthrough, we added an input mask to our phone number field that we added to our table. Now we're going to show you how that works, and we're going to add the values to our table. So go ahead and double click on your recruiter table. That just opens it as is. And then if you click here on the right border of the phone number, alright, we see the input mask is put in there. Now we can just go ahead and start typing in the number from our book. We're on page Access 306. So 719-555-8364, and see it puts the number in there for you. You can hit down, and we're going to go ahead and just fill in the other numbers here. Okay, now we have our numbers entered in there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the bonus field there. Remember, that's a yes or no field. I'm going to just scroll over here a little bit to show our new fields. And for the bonus, it simply puts a checkbox in there. So if we want to turn bonus on for someone, we just click it. So we're going to do the first two records there. We're going to click the checkbox for them. And that's how we edit the bonus field there, the yes, no. We're going to go ahead and enter the dates and the start date. Two ways we can do this. We can type it in, 5/22/2004. The other way is we can click the calendar here. Only problem with this is we have a date of 2004, which means we're going to have to go through the months a lot here to get back to that date. So typing it would probably be preferable, but you can see how you can choose just the calendar dates using the calendar. And we're looking for, looks like June 3rd. And it'll fill in the date for you there. Okay, so I'm just going to put in the rest of the dates here. 10/3/206 and 12/3/207. Now we have our dates in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill in the comments. So click here. Now the comments aren't going to fit in the box that we have. It's okay, we're just going to type them in for now, and then we're going to resize the view that we have here in our table. So I'm just going to type them here, here at the bottom of page Access 308. I'm going to type those in there. I'm going to pause it while I do, and then we'll go into resizing those columns. Okay, now that I have those typed in there, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to resize the comment column there for our table so we can see everything that we have. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click here in between the comment and picture columns, hold it, and then drag it out a little bit there. Okay, maybe just a little bit more. That looks good there. Okay, and then we want to resize the row, all of the rows, so that it all fits in there too. To do that, we just go over here, click and hold, and drag down, and it resizes all of the rows. Now you can't have one row a different size than another row here in your tables, or in your in your table. All the rows have to be the same height. So we did it. We can see now all that we typed in there. One just real quick note here is I want you to type these in as they are. We're going to be doing a query later, and we're going to be looking for the phrase healthcare management. So I want you to make sure you have that included in there, or at least something that oops, there's a typo. Something that you can have more than one for more than one recruiter there that you can use in your query later. Okay, so that's adding our comments in there. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to add the pictures for each recruiter as well as the attachments.